In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up manual order approval for WooCommerce if you're running an online store, especially one with products that require stock verification or additional approval steps before fulfillment. This feature can be a game changer. By enabling manual order approval, you can ensure that every order is carefully reviewed before payments are processed or items are shipped. Whether you're managing high-value items, custom orders, or inventory-sensitive products like food, this setup puts you in full control of your orders. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is purchase the order approval for WooCommerce plugin. To get started, head over to the WooCommerce website and search for this specific plugin. Once you've located it, fill in your details to complete the purchase. After that, download the plugin file to your computer. It's important to save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or downloads folder, so you can quickly access it during the installation process. Next, open your WordPress dashboard. This is where most of the magic happens. From the dashboard, navigate to the plugin section on the left-hand menu and click on the Add New button. Now, you'll see an option at the top that says Upload Plugin. Click on that, and then select the Choose File button. Locate the plugin file you just downloaded, select it, and hit Install Now. After the installation is complete, don't forget to activate the plugin. Activation ensures that the plugin is ready to use and integrated into your WooCommerce store. Once the plugin is activated, you'll see a new option under the WooCommerce menu in your WordPress dashboard labeled Order Approval. Click on it to access the plugin settings. The first screen you'll encounter allows you to customize the messages your customers will see during the order approval process. This is a great opportunity to make the experience more personalized and align it with your store's branding. For example, you might want to add a friendly note explaining that orders are reviewed before they're confirmed, so customers know what to expect. After setting up your customer messages, switch over to the Rules tab. This is where you'll define the conditions for manual order approval. To get started, click the Add Rule button. Give your rule a name. Something descriptive like awaiting approval works well. This is especially useful if you plan to create multiple rules down the line. Next, choose the type of approval you want to implement. For example, if you're selling food products or anything else where you don't want to charge customers upfront, select the Wait for Approval and Pay option. This ensures that customers aren't billed until their order has been reviewed and approved. If necessary, you can also set specific user roles for this rule. However, if you'd like the rule to apply to all customers, simply leave this field blank. Now it's time to decide which products the rule should apply to. You can apply it to all products in your store, or you can narrow it down to specific categories, brands, or even individual products. Once you've made your selections, click the Publish button to save the rule. Congratulations, your manual order approval system is now set up. If you'd like, you can also navigate to the email settings section to customize the notifications sent to customers and admins when new orders come in. While this step is optional, it's a great way to ensure clear communication throughout the approval process. From here on out, when a new order is placed, you'll need to review it manually. To do this, go to the Orders page in WooCommerce, open the order, check the details, and verify whether the item is in stock. Once you've confirmed everything, return to the Orders page, select the relevant order, and go to the Actions dropdown. If the item is in stock and ready to go, change the order status to Approved. This notifies the customer that their order has been processed and allows them to proceed with payment if applicable. On the other hand, if the item is out of stock or you're unable to fulfill the order for some reason, simply set the status to Rejected. This step is just as important because it ensures customers are informed in a timely manner and can adjust their plans accordingly. And that's it. By following these steps, you now have a fully functioning manual order approval system in place. This not only gives you more control over your orders, but also creates a smoother experience for your customers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.